doing? How is the cinnamon bear? How's the cinnamon bear doing? Yes. You're looking so plump. You're such a plump boy. Look at that. You are a plump boy. Yes. Yes, you're 6.5 weeks old. 6.5 weeks old. You're getting big. Look at this. Oh, yes. He's a little silk bear. It's a cinnamon bear. Yes. Yes, you're a good man. You are a good man. Yes. Yes. What a cute little man. Hello, cute man. How are you? How are you, buddy? Yeah.